Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to add modals or dialog windows to your React Native apps. So first off, I'm setting up my project and now I'm importing the modal and the button from React Native. I'm also going to want to import React from React, and that's because I'm going to be using React's use state to have state on the visibility of the modal. So this first constant is the state for whether the modal is visible or not, and then I've got a function that will set it whether it's visible or not. I'm going to initialize that to a initial state of false. So first up, I'm going to add a button, and it's just going to be a button that when you press it, it'll show the modal. So on press, it will set modal visible to true. So now that that's done, I'm going to want to add my modal. This is what's going to show when I press the button, and the contents, the children inside the modal component is what's going to display on screen. So you can give the modal an animation type. It'll default to none. I'm going to give it the slide animation type, and I'm going to set its visibility to be dependent on the modal visible state. On request close, I'm going to set the modal visibility to false. This is basically when the user presses back on an Android device. So I'm going to want a view inside that's going to take up the whole screen. And inside that view, I'm going to have some text, which basically says, "Hi, that you're inside this modal." And I'm going to have a button that you can press if you want to close it. So when I want to hide it, I'll just set modal visible to false. Basically anything inside that view will appear inside the modal when it's visible, so I'm going to show you this now. So now that that's loaded, if I click on show modal, it will show my modal, and if I click on hide modal, it will close it. You can see that if I show and hide modal, it will show and hide. I hope you enjoyed this very quick React Native tutorial, and if you did, please like and subscribe for more content.